Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace diverter for the KS7753 ALBS. Additional model numbers that apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need an adjustable wrench and diverter valve T, KSTEE7751. From below the sink, carefully loosen supply lines 1 and 2 using an adjustable wrench. Then disconnect all supply lines from the T valve, followed by the sprayer supply line. Apply Teflon tape on all 5 valve ports. Reconnect new diverter T valve to sprayer supply line. Now match and reconnect the T valve section ports to the corresponding number marked on the supply lines. Lastly, tighten all supply lines using an adjustable wrench. That's it. You have successfully completed the diverter replacements.